In our family, my mother was a very good actress, singer, and my sister, but she died in 2000.
Sorry.
That was an accident. She was a great actress in Assam. I'm from Assam.
You are from Assam.
I'm from India, but I'm from Assam. That's a different state there, and we have a very different culture there. And
So tell me where Assam is.
Assam is known for tea. You can find tea it's
Assam
written
tea.
the Assam tea because we produce the highest number of teas from Assam, and oil, tea, oil, and coals. Three things. Coals, yeah.
What does that mean?
Coal.
Coal?
Coal that we burn it.
Oh, coals.
Coal,
I'm sorry.
yeah.
Okay. So these are the three things Assam is
yeah.
very famous.
And Assam, another thing is there. It's famous for rhinos. One-horned rhinos. Only you can find in Assam. There's a Kaziranga National Park. That's the biggest thing there.
We're famous place there.
Yes, Assam is always famous.
So tell
I'm
me,
just helping it.
so tell me, when your song was out, the minute was people start hearing your voice.
See,
Tell me the change. Tell me when you walked in.
the change.
How did you feel?
I'll tell you. My first album was Anamika, and I did it in 1992 when I was only 19 years old. And I did my first album there. I was a musician. I used to play with other artists, keyboard. I used to play keyboards and tabla and all rhythms and all percussion. Still, I'm a percussionist. Still, I believe I'm a musician only. I'm not a singer. Accidentally, I became a singer. So my friends, they used to say me like that, why should you play? You should sing. You have such a good voice, and they used to always inspire me. Then I made my first album, Anamika. And then Anamika was a huge hit there everywhere. And then I started doing albums and albums and albums. And still, till date, I have done more than 8,000 songs in a song.
8,000 songs.
Yes.
And you're so young.
I'm not so much young. I'm 35 years old.
Yeah, you're young for someone
Yeah,
to have so many. That's good.
I'm 35 and I've given my 12 years to Assam. And I was there and I've worked with all the tribal people, all the cultures. And we have got more than 250 tribal cultures there. And all are different. And I'm the only one who has worked with anybody there.
Really? Do you
I'm
ever?
proud of that.
Do you ever?
I love the sound.
Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? It's his guitar. It's a very special guitar. So tell me, when did you ever look up to anybody before you started doing music?
Yeah, I'm always inspired. I was inspired by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan and Bhupen Hazarika. He's a big name from Assam. He's a progressive writer. After Bob Dylan, he's the only one still living. And I love Kishore Kumar. He's one of the best we have. Yeah. He's the most dramatic, and he's the most. What do you say? I can express it.
I know what you mean. I cannot express it.
He's the most dramatic singer we have. And I love S.D. Burman because he's also from Northeast. He's from Northeast. He's from Tripura. And I love R.D. Burman. I love A.R. Rahman. And Sting is my godfather.
Wow.
Mr. Sting.
So tell me, how did you? I keep going back to your album because I have to. Okay, it's a magic you created. I want you to tell